Hi, Satish. Now you can. Satish, I'm audible. Satish, I'm audible.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sorry. Uh,
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, okay. Now we can start the discussion.
sir, in the CPM model, which one we have? Which this one we have used, sir? Framework.
Okay. Satish, we are using for small language model. The name is called okay. So
Okay.
first the listen, the what is the model capacity? Okay, the model is not a child. Okay, it's a mature enough. It can handle text, video, audio, and image. That is the beauty. So whatever you
Yeah.
can say that it is mini
Yes.
CPM. It is very very, I mean, powerful and quality
Intelligent.
output. Okay, so using this you can able to create
Okay.
agentic AI solutions, rack solutions. You understand? Currently, in every
Yeah.
company, everywhere, there are two type of solutions very important. One of the solution is agentic AI solutions. Other thing is track based solutions. Okay, this is what this is. In
Yes.
case if you want to create a new LLM model, yeah, you can do that. So using this mini CPM, you can train the model with a new data set. Then you can deliver the new LLM, or you can say new brain. Understood? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Also, if
Yes,
you
yes.
want to do post training, because these models comes with pre training, then you can, because pre training means it will not have a latest information. It has 1 year old or 2 year old informations only. It will have it. It do not have the latest knowledge. That means you need to post train. That also you can do that with the new data sets. So how I can do the train, post train, or I want to build a new LLM, then you need to refer the Hugging Face. Correct? So for you, GitHub and Hugging Face are very very important to dig to get more insights in terms of projects,
Okay.
in terms of learnings. It could be any domains. Okay? Because AI is applicable to all domains in all business solutions. So all domain, all business solutions, many people, many community, many community, they are developing new ideas with the new projects, implementations. Okay, make it ready and sell it to the company. This is all happening in the GitHub. Because of AI coding agent, the GitHub is flooded with huge number of projects every day. So the development of agentic AI, the development of rack solutions, every day it's growing like anything. Understood? Now? It's not for the human speed. It is going on agentic speed. Understood? Now? So whenever in a, here after you
Yes, sir.
talk, please talk in confidence. Mini GPM, sorry, mini CPM model. Fine, huh?
CPM.
CPM. Okay, right. So, and again, I'm going to bring another models also. Okay, so currently we are using for
Okay.
mini CPM. This CPM, I'm able to create a rack solution. I'm able to create a agentic AI solutions. But after a couple of days, I'll be coming with a new model, small language model that is powerful than this model. That was always I'm saying that okay, every day there is a speed of growth and development is amazing. Okay, what understood
Okay.
that? So once you know
Yes,
the
sir.
fundamentals, then you can apply the fundamentals to all the domains. It could be data. That means Snowflake data, SAP data cloud, or Salesforce cloud you can apply, or telecom domains, or datacom domains you can apply, or web development, mobile apps, business, finance, okay, retails, consumer devices. Yes, these things is public. Understood, huh? So now our question
Yes.
is, I want to walk through the code so that you can understand what are the Python framework they have used it. Correct, huh? That's a question, huh? Yes.
Yes. Yes,
I
sir.
told initially when they started the Python, I said actually because any first step is we want to load the small language model. For
Dependencies.
that, which
Yes.
Python framework we are going to use it. There is a right. We use transformer, accelerator. Correct? Huh? Where is that?
Yes, sir.
The pip is coming down. Coming down. Mm. Gop starting. Gop.
Import charge. Gopa. Okay.
This, which is this is the first one, huh? Correct? Huh?
Second one, sir.
No problem. Okay, come down. We can check that. So you see this. First thing is they are using for the def. Right? Def is a functions. Because now, okay, now I'm also explaining the Python. Just try to understand the Python keywords. Okay, ma? If you look at the first block, we are saying that import subprocess and system modules. Understood? Subprocess. So when you
Yeah.
say the subprocess means subprocess will have a number of functions, and system models will have a number of functions. You understood that? So
Yes, sir.
import, when you do the import means, and we are going to use ready-made modules or framework, we are going to use it. Understood? When you see the module framework, from framework is consist of many more models in a single box. Understood? What is the difference between framework and models? Module means it
Okay.
has number of functions, but framework means it has okay, number of modules inside the box, not only one model.
Okay.
Okay, well, like so
Okay. Okay. I
import
got it.
stop.
Models. There are so many functions in the model,
Yes, yes,
but whereas in the framework there are many models loaded, right?
yes. Okay, you see this
Okay.
import subprocess and sys. Okay, well, then after that, what happened? We are creating diff pip. So we are after def we can create any name, India, Pakistan, any name you can put, but they put the name called pip. Okay, but the next thing is called, you see, sub-process. Where is sub-process coming? Language is very easy. Wherever you import, after that you will be using those module functions. Otherwise, no need to import now. Then immediately you see
Yeah.
subprocess.run command. Correct? Huh? Okay, what is that?
Yes.
In the Linux, right? In the Linux, that is what I am asking everyone to have Linux instead of Windows. You see, subprocess.run. Then after that, we are saying that system please execute. The module name is pip install. Then arguments. You will be getting a number of input frameworks. You need to install it. You understood? Huh?
Yes. Yes. I got it.
Where is the line? Just keep your line where you keep your cursor. Keep your cursor. You keep your cursor. You understand, right? What is that? We are calling for the
Yes, sir.
subprocess. Subprocess dot run.
Subprocess.
Subprocess dot run is a model. Open bracket and close bracket. What do you mean that it have a number of inputs?
Inputs.
Understood, huh?
Yes. Within
Suppose,
that subprocess.
suppose, assume actually I'm going to make a chutney, coconut chutney. The mixie, right? Correct? Mixie is the function.
Yes, sir.
In the mixie, I'll put one by one, right? I'll put chili, coconut, and I'll put for that salt, correct? And I'll put for ginger, correct? Right? Then
Yes, sir.
I'll put garlic like this. Every comma is one component. Sys dot executable, correct? Where is sys? If you go for the import, there is a call sys model. Sys model dot execute, right?
Yes, sir.
Satish, pick up the.
Okay, it's already pre-built. It's already pre-built in the
Otherwise, you need to develop for the
import.
system first. You need all the sub process.
Yes,
You understood?
yes,
This is
yes.
what.
We are using
What?
the already predefined model process. Sub
Yes,
process this thing.
yes.
Okay.
That is the one component. Second thing is minus m component, because when you open the code subprocess.run, then only you know what are the number of components and each components what is the meaning for that. Got it? Huh? Got it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you see this pip install. So whenever I want to install any Python packages, then I'll be using for the pip install. Correct? Huh? Correct? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So next thing is, what is the next line? So this is what, okay, where is starting, where is ending the def functions?
Here, sir.
Where is starting, where is ending? That's it. Correct. Okay,
Yeah.
pip is only for
From
this.
here to here. Yeah.
After that, there is a print function because if the div ka under, I mean inside, if it is any code is there means there is a space. Div after next line, you can see the space. Correct? Huh? You're understanding our
Yes, sir.
sub process before sub process there is a space. That means the pip functions. What are the instructions inside the pip functions will be like this. Whenever it go equivalent of def, where the def starts, same if it is any other line, any line statement starts means that function is over. Can you tell me what is that? Are
Okay.
you able to understand?
Yes, sir. From
I'm
here
talking
to here,
about
the
I'm
function is
talking about indentation. You are thinking something else. Can you check for the import? Where I starts, where next line D starts, where I starts, where D starts. Next line, Satish, where I starts, the import me where I starts. Same thing, same vertical line. Understood? Huh?
yes, sir. Yes,
Right.
sir. Here and here.
Yeah. That is
Yes.
mean it is a next. It's a next line. If you do sub process, sub process is inside of the def, not equivalent of D. Understood? Huh?
Yes, yes. It is inside. Yeah, it is inside. Yes,
That
yes.
okay. Then third, the can come to the print. Print is in the where the letter is pointing and the same
Yeah,
letter.
yeah. These are
Yes.
all, after this, this should
Ah,
execute. Okay.
yes. So the print is not the function of pip. It is a separate command. Okay, print
Separate function
command.
because already here the bracket is closed now. So this is separate line and separate thing it will execute.
Yes. The next thing is you see pip. They are calling pip. Now pip is calling. So first thing is they are defining the functions. After that, they're calling the functions. You understood?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Why
sir.
we
I
are
got it.
creating a function? Because I'll create only one, but I'll be using 100 times, 1,000 times in my code.
Okay. Yes,
That is,
yes.
I'll repeat once again. Coding is nothing. Coding is it's all number of tasks. Number of tasks are calling functions. Why we are the same functions will be calling again and again. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe after 1 month, after 1 week. So that is what happened actually. What are the important models we will be saving as a model? Then whenever we need it and we are calling that model. Got it? Huh? Suppose I am
Okay.
working as a
Yes.
SNMP manager. Okay, sorry, knock manager. So knock manager daily there will be some a number of tasks, right? All the number of tasks will be written as a def functions. The all the functions will be storing
Okay.
as a knock model. Understood? Knock model. Then import NOC.
Yes.
Okay, ma NOC. Correct? The next thing is I'll be start
Okay.
using.
Whenever it's needed, we will just call that function.
Yes.
Call. Okay. Okay.
Okay, now you can see pip transformer. So we are saying that because this particular language model I need to download and install on Google. For installations, I need I need one of the module, one of the framework
Trans-
that is called transformer.
transformers.
Satish, always you think about
Transformers.
it, actually I'll not write anything from scratch. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
already some of the framework and module is there to download and install. That is called transformer. You got it? Huh? Where is
Transformers.
transformer? Right. So we are going to give because you say pip install, right? Okay, that particular model pip model def may pip and you have RGS. That means it is waiting for number of inputs.
Arguments. Yeah.
Then input will be come here actually. Then it will be executing inside. So for the pip, right? The calling
From
pip.
here, it is calling this function.
Uh,
It is
the
executing. Okay.
calling pip, right? First transformer, then next thing is comma accelerate, next is accelerate, After that, torch vision, correct?
Start
So
question.
three modules, and we
Yes.
are asking to install. In case if I want to do Linux, if I'm not using Python program, directly I'll go command pip install transformer accelerate. Okay, ma? Understood? That is what if you open the
Yes,
previous
sir.
notebook, you can see pip install. Understood? Hmm. So it is
Yes, sir.
installed. Okay, understood? Got it?
Yes.
Okay, one.
Yes, yes. I got
Satish,
it,
now
sir.
you try to understand
Yeah.
that because this is only for the time you try to understand the coding. Okay, what is the coding?
Okay.
Coding is nothing. Daily we'll do lot of tasks, and those tasks will be converted into Python functions. In the Python, how the functions are represented, what is the keyword? That is called def and the function name. How
Definitions.
to call the functions? Then you need to call the functions, the function name without def keyword, and you need to give the inputs. Okay, ma? Right? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So what is you are calling print? Print is what functions? Print open bracket and close bracket. Okay, print is a functions. Which function? Python functions. Correct? You see again
Yes.
they're calling pip print other print functions. The next thing pip functions. Third one is again print functions. Again they're calling for the pip functions. Pip ab pillow request open cv gradio. Correct? Leda. Chepu.
These
Satish.
are all the okay. Pip is a keyword, right?
Hey, pip is the function I told
Oh,
actually.
pip is a
Actually, when you
function.
okay,
Function.
this is called
Okay.
Python package manager because when you
Right.
want to develop the software, software is what? Software is consist of number of Python functions. Correct? Now, where is the Python
Yes,
functions
sir.
coming? Python function is coming from Python modules. Where the Python modules
Modules.
are coming from Python frameworks. Understood? Correct?
Framework.
Yes. So
Yes.
who is managing all the Python modules and frameworks? That is called pip. It's a software. Understood? Got it?
Okay. Inside the pip, all these things will be
Or
already
we cannot
predefined.
say
So whenever
you
we
need to
require
change the language still. You cannot say all these things that no. All Python modules managed by the Python
model
package manager. That is called
package
pip.
manager. Pip. Okay.
When you want to
Pip.
do when I want to get the information from the nodes, then we are using you will not say this and that, you say that snmp get, snmp put. I'm right up lay that chepo.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you
Correct,
need
sir.
to use that. If you are not practicing it, when you go to the interview you cannot say this and that. You always say, okay, in this block you need to understand three things, sir. I'm installing for the Python package. If I'm using if I'm installing the Python modules in manually, then I what you do pip install. Can you go to that? Can you go to any terminals in the code space? Right, we have can you go for the open a previous notebook? We have previous notebook, open that.
This one, huh?
Yeah, tiny one, yes, correct. Open that. Come down. Come down. Okay. Come down. Can you go up? Can you go up? Can you go up? Can you go up? On the top. Can you go up? Can you go up? Up first. Right now? Yes. Okay. So you see, I can install Python packages in two ways. One is called Linux command. Other one is Python code. Okay, ma. Even the transformer, bystands, everything I can do it. How can I do that? Can you open the plus code cell plus codes? Yeah. Okay. Understood? Hmm. Pip, pip. It is not a Python code. Okay, it is Linux command. Understood? Pip install,
Yes.
install. Okay, um, which model? Like Django. Okay, DJ E correct. DJAN. Sorry. You can say Flask model. Flask. You know, right? Flask. FLASK. Okay, ma? Yeah. A Flask is one of the model. If I want to create the web page, then I can use for the Flash model. Now I'm going to install. Okay, understood? Correct? Right? But I'm going to
Yeah.
install. How I'm going to install? I'm installing for pip install command. That is not Python code. Not okay, ma? It is Linux commands. Understood? Now you can install. Run
Yes,
it.
sir.
Run. What's it's happening? What it says this?
Now to immediate restart the kernel to use the updated package. Yeah.
It says that already it is
Requirement already
installed.
satisfied.
Already installed.
Already it is there.
Then you do one thing: open a new notebook and try to install. Then okay, and then you know the differences. Can you open a new notebook? Yeah. Then you can say that. Okay, one. Satish, are you able to understand? So we have a
Yes, sir. Yes,
Linux.
sir.
We have a Python. What is the difference between Linux and Python? Hey, Satish.
Python is a coding. Linux is a yes, sir.
Unisys, Linux is
Linux is a language, right, sir? It's operating system.
Linux is the operating system, not a code,
Operating system, not a code.
not a
With the
code.
commands we are dealing with the
Noda. What do you mean? Okay, what is operating system? Operating system, the human can interact the hardware. We can't interact the hardware directly because hardware speaks in different language and human speaks is the English language. Okay, ma? So who is you? Which is the medium to manage all the hardwares as well as interact to the human? That is called operating system. Understood?
yes, sir.
Suppose in my laptop I have a Python, but I don't have operating system. How it is it's possible? So you have a laptop,
No,
right? After putting
you
Ubuntu,
cannot
then
do.
only you are having a Python, right? I'm right or wrong?
Yes,
Why you put a
yeah.
Linux operating system?
To communicate, sir. To interface and to communicate to get an output.
Yes. Even if I want to install,
Basically, to perform the operations.
not operation, operating system. You have a mouse, you have a keyboard, you have a screen, and okay, who will manage those things?
Yeah, it is managed by operating system.
Yes, you have Android operating system. Without Android operating system, you cannot control the camera. You cannot control the keyboard. You understood? Now, once Android is up and running, after that you can able to install. I mean, Instagram or the other thing is you can install, right? Understood?
Yes,
So now
yes,
what
sir.
happened? I install pip install Flask. Okay, ma, correct? Right. So can you
Yes,
open pip install PyTorch? Delete this and delete and just
Nutella.
delete and give pip install PyTorch. Pip install PyTorch. Enter. What's happening? What's happening? First, you read line
So
by line.
process
Don't
exit.
look at only for error. First, lead one by one error. First thing is when you say the PyTorch. So what happened? This operating system knows I want to download from the repo. Which repo? Which repo? There is a called FTP server. You know FTP.
Download.
You know FTP service. There is a called FTP server, SFTP server.
Yeah, file transfer protocol.
Correct.
File transfer protocol.
So it will be going to
Yes.
that. Then in the internet, right? In the internet, there is a called FTP server. They are keeping all the Python models and frameworks. Okay, ma? It is downloading
Okay.
PyTorch. I didn't give any version name 1.0.2, nothing. Who, okay, once again, Satish, who does this activity? The command pip, right? Pip is the Python package manager. So that is the very book program.
Okay.
It is written in C coding. Okay, that pip is a program. That program knows that I know to go to internet. I need to check which is the latest PyTorch version. Then I want to download.
Okay.
I download also. I need to download the tar file, because whenever you can keep any files in the FTP server, it will be tar file or gunzip file. Correct? Krita or zip file, right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
downloading is done. The next thing is after that, what happened actually? They are unzip the package, downloading the PyTorch package. Then after that, they are unzipping. Correct? So when I want to unzip and I want to install, it needs some dependencies. The package needs a dependencies.
Okay.
Understood, Appa? Okay. So it is saying
Yes, sir.
that building wheel for Python. So now what happened? You need to copy this and go to the command and try to understand, okay, what exactly dependencies. Understood? So right now we are having AI. Otherwise, we need to go to Google. Okay, ma? Understood? You got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Paste it. You understand, right? Pip. Pip is the
Yes.
one program. Whenever you ask any Python packages or modules, it go to that internet. It knows what are the FTP server, the Python package will be there, and pull the latest one and download, unzip, and try to launch it. While launching it, there would be a operating system compatible, incompatible, it's not compatible, or it has some dependencies. Understood? Uh, so you okay now?
Yeah.
Uh, can you go up? Can you go? So the root cause, wrong package name. You are trying to install. What you are trying to install?
PyTorch.
No. Why it is saying wrong?
Package name PyTorch. I have given wrong name, I think.
Okay. Now give proper name.
PyTorch dot is the, I think. Oh, it's a okay. PyTorch deep learning library is published under the name Tark.
So they are given the proper name, right?
Pip install Tark, Tark Vision, Tark Studio.
Okay, ma. Right,
Yes, sir.
now understood, I'm okay. You are Satish, please. Satish, wait a minute. Satish. I see the one problem on you. What you are doing it right. You are interested to only for execute. Just you want to execute. That's called you are thinking hands on. My interest is I want to explain the concepts.
Okay.
You understood, right? Because past 1 month you are
Yes.
trying to execute because you are not familiar for the platform of Linux, not familiar problem of Goggle, Hugging Face, code space. That's fine. But right now you are spend some time on those platforms. The next thing is what happened. You try to understand the concepts. Why I'm using this particular word. Now you need to understand word by word. Got it, huh? Understood, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, wherever go any jobs or any domains, if you know the fundamentals, then there would be a only for minor changes only for the particular domain. You got it, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now please don't just make it rush to run. Stop it. You first you need to explain. You need to explain to me or explain to others, sir, this is my understanding right or wrong. Or you can ask this guy, the Quen. Now what happened, right? Was this you want to build the reading capability and read and understand it. Once you have that skill, then I'll get a confidence. But if you're asking me, Sadish, what about the confidence? No, no. You are now you are getting hands-on for across for many platforms, but still you are not ready to go for any interviews. You say, Sadish, I'm asking operating
Yeah, yeah.
system. You're saying operating system is a program. But if we studied computer networks in engineering, Kreta,
Yes, yes,
oh,
yes.
you understood, right? So okay. So thing is, okay. If you see, if I want to remove the package, also I'm using pip uninstall PyTorch. Correct? Pip install. So what I'm going to
Yes,
do? Still, I'm not happy. I want to read. Okay, you see this. First thing is, can you go for up? Can you go for up? I need to understand that. What is the difference between you and me? I'm reading, but you are executing. That's only the differences. The root cause, wrong package name. You see, how I'm trying to read. You are trying to install a package named PyTorch and the Python package index that is called Py, 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 sorry, Py, yeah. PyTorch is just an empty placeholder dummy package, which is why the download is only 6896 byte and the build fails. So I'm saying that I gave the name PyTorch, right? That's not a proper Python pack. It's my problem. The actual PyTorch deep learning library. You understand? What is PyTorch?
yes.
PyTorch is one of the package for the machine learning. Machine learning have a two type of divisions. One is called machine learning, other one is called deep learning. So PyTorch, what is the PyTorch? Capital P, small y, capital T. This is what the package name, proper name. To actual PyTorch deep
Okay.
learning library is published under the name of Torch. Okay, ma? That is what you see the come down.
Yes.
They are saying that pip uninstall PyTorch killer. Pip uninstall PyTorch. Pip install Torch. Torch, Torch Vision, and Torch Studio or Torch Audio. So they are saying that,
Audio, audio.
yeah, they're saying that the deep learning packages, you need to have a three different packages. One for vision. Vision means seeing. You know, right?
For video.
Not video. Sati is if you think if you're having a confident, right? Every houses,
Yes, sir.
every house in the Bangalore, so much of house, they're having for the camera. They're having a camera, right? All the corners of the
Yeah.
houses they have
CC
a camera,
cameras.
and the camera it is capturing the images, correct? Capturing the images or capturing the streaming images, and and it is displaying on the computer, computer or mobile. We can see,
Yes.
correct? Fine, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now the problem is there is a no persons. We don't have a time to see all the images, all the videos which is generated by the camera. We are not seeing that. Whenever anything happens, suppose some murder happened at home, right now, or some people are theft. Okay, thief came. That time only we are going to look at the images and videos, but daily we are not seeing
Yeah.
it, correct? So what we can do,
Yes.
the existing solutions, we can bring the AI, especially for mini CPM. Mini CPM, what does that? It will be creating it look the image, and it will be explaining, describing the images. Correct? So instead
Yeah.
of
It will analyze.
it analyze, it give the summaries. Correct? So I can ask AI to send to WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. You sent. It sends. Even I'll tell actually,
Okay.
please, if it is a normal, okay, don't send. If it is abnormal,
Any
yeah,
emergency?
anybody is
Yeah.
fighting on the road, okay, send to me. Anybody knocking the door and send to me. Or if it is a family
Anybody
member,
is
do not
tempting
send.
the bike?
You understood? If it is our family member,
Yes.
no problem. If someone is coming, okay, send to me. then you can send to me. You understood that? So it is a very beautiful
Yes, sir.
solutions. Understood. So we are interested only for developing the, hey, I want to develop the Python code. I want to run the Python code. I want, okay. So this is under all, this is only for joining for the corporate company. But what I'm talking for that camera enabled LLM, mini CPM, mini CPM with camera
Mhm.
with, I mean, the WhatsApp integrations, right? That means it is your business. If you know the solutions, you can do that. After some time, your children can also continue the business. You understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So think in that perspective. So whenever you ask some question, you ask like that. You are working for SNMP. Yes. You see knock. Knock how, okay, knock, right, what's happening? And you are seeing the dashboards. After that you are taking any decisions, or you are sending all the Jira ticket only your reactions. When you'll react, Satish, are you
Hello,
there?
sir.
Ah,
Yeah, can you repeat? Yeah, can you repeat?
okay, I'm asking you. You are the knock engineer. Okay, so
Okay. Yeah.
when you will be react for the alarms you'll be seeing on the screen.
When there is a outage. Yeah, when there is a outage.
You will be gathering the information from the screen, or someone will be writing an
Yeah,
email, or someone creating a
screen.
Jira ticket and notify to you, which is the way.
No, no, no. We have to create the ticket. We have to create the ticket. We have to just first identify the fault on what site, location, everything we have to identify by seeing the screen. Then we have to create the ticket from our end.
Satish, you tell me actually, you are having a wonderful solutions, right? So you have a mini CPM. Okay, huh? You take
Okay.
only for screenshot and give it to that. And we will ask mini CPM to create email, mini CPM to create Jira tickets. Everything is possible. If you do it, then your manager will be happy or not.
Definitely, sir.
Then that is the thing we want to do it. First thing is that's what you want to do that. You understood, huh?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Hmm. So
I'll take some screenshots, sir. Screenshot and I'll take it
ah
because in
yes,
my office laptop I can't do anything. Only I can take the screenshots of that particular faults.
you got it, huh? So we this is
Yes, sir.
called knock agent, which is this.
I'll take and
Ah,
I'll take via email.
ah,
After that, we can start building
yeah.
regarding that, right?
Now we want, okay. Now you can tell me we have a free puff. I installed for the mini CPM model also. Correct? Huh? Then okay. This is my folder. In the folder, I am going to give couple of images. Your task is and go to the look at all the images. Okay, or I'm giving for that some chart bot. I'm uploading the images, and you can based on the images explain me. Then if I'm asking you to create a Jira ticket and create the Jira ticket, or you're asking me to send the email, you send the email. Fine,
Yes, sir.
fine, you understood, right? Right, like this. Fine, so now next
Yes,
thing,
sir.
so I'll commit here. So what is pip, what is pip?
Python package manager.
Again repeat 5 times. Python package manager. Chapo.
Package manager.
Python.
Python package manager.
Python.
Package manager.
Understood that?
Package manager.
Python,
Python package manager.
Python manager, which is this Linux commands. Okay, but the Linux
Linux
commands
command.
also we
Yes.
can call from Python code.
Python. Python
Python
code.
functions. We
Yes.
can call Python functions. Okay, man. Yeah, come down, come down. Okay, next, I'm going to ask. Okay, next I'm going to ask. Okay, yeah. So, um, pip is the Python package. I type it. Pip is the Python package manager. Pip is the Python package manager. Python package manager, manager. Yes. To Python manager. How we can use this? How we can use this in two approaches? One is Linux CLI command. Other one is Python functions. Explain to me. Okay, ma, in text diagram. You understood that?
One is
One
one
is
is
Linux
Linux.
CLI commands. Right? Next thing is Python function. Enter. Satish. Now, okay. Now, what
Yes.
you need to understand? You need to understand what AI is explaining to you. If you are compatible for that, only 10 minutes, 15 minutes just execute on the screen. That is enough. But now the skill is what AI is explaining. Are you able to follow or not? Understood? Huh? That is very important.
Okay. Main thing is the understanding. Then only we can go
Understanding
for
the
execution.
critical part.
Yeah, you're correct, sir. I was about to execute the things.
You
That's correct, actually.
right, most of the kids, right, most of the kids will not think but executes. That is the thing.
Yeah.
Okay, two approaches
Using
explain.
pip
First approach is
approaches
Linux
explain.
CLI
Approach
commands.
one.
Right? Come down, come
This
down.
is the standard most common way to use
Ah.
pip.
You see this, what are the
Pip
command when
terminal
you
shell.
once again, Satish, when you have a dollar, initially when you have a dollar mean it is a Linux command prompt. Okay, ma, you have networking
Okay.
devices, right? If you connect to the router and switches, what will have? You'll have a dollar prompt, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So pip install pandas. So one of the calls are pandas. You know, right? Your wife is going for Snowflake. So Snowflake is nothing. It's a data
Yeah.
cloud. Okay, ma. So whenever we will be
Data code.
getting
Yeah.
for unstructured data, unstructured data we need to convert it into structured data. What is unstructured? Unstructured structure means it is CSV file. Unstructured means it's like a text file. So for that,
Text files.
who will be converting structure into unstructured? That is called pandas. Now, why I'm talking like this? Because I'm going for the Python pandas package. Okay, Python package name is pandas. That is what I'm explaining. Where is pandas?
Okay.
Okay, and you understood, huh? And you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So pip
Yes, sir.
install pandas. Okay, like, and then one next thing is called pip install minus r requirements.txt. It's a text file. In the text file, what happened? You can put all the models. Okay, pandas, numpy, torch, pytorch. So we can put number of Python packages in one of the requirement.txt file. Then you can give to pip Python package manager. It will install one by one. Okay, one understood that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next thing is called pip uninstall. That means I'm going to uninstall numpy Python package. The next thing is pip list. What are the Python packages I installed? Pip freeze. I
I want
want
to
to
get a list.
and
Okay.
I want to release this. I don't want this. Freeze.
Release. Stop, right? Release or
Yes.
stop.
Okay, correct. Come down.
Okay. Pips
Fine now.
VLI
What
process.
it's saying the
Fast online.
process. Okay, if you give this the pip with the input, what will happen? First thing is the pip program parse the input arguments. Okay, then it will be opening for
Yeah.
https://pypy.org. Can you open that? You can see all the packages over there. Open that. Hmm. Okay, one. Come down. Come down. Come down. Okay. So you can have all the packages. How many packages? How many projects? How many packages? How many projects? Yes. Okay, ma. Eight, three, four,
Release.
400 projects.
No.
Okay, ma. Can you click browse or browse objects? Click
Uh,
browse object or
uh,
search object.
89 lakhs releases,
This
sir.
is releases. Okay, ma. Okay, okay. Come to right, left side, left side. These all this thing only. Understood? Huh? Okay, environment related, programming language related. Yeah, I'll come in 5 minutes. Okay, one understood. You want? Can you go?
Yes,
Otherwise, you
yes,
can search it. Okay, I don't know how to see that. I never used it. Can you go up? Okay, you can search. Yeah, you can search. You can search pandas. Type pandas. Enter. Okay, man. Understood? Click pandas. Pandas our pandas business. Fine. You got it?
yeah. These are all the
Yes.
versions. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, you got it right.
Yes, sir.
Satish, we have any Python company? We have any pandas company? No, right? Satish,
No.
please try to understand that. Our GitHub is our God. God. Okay. Our hugging face is
Okay.
Lord Shiva. Understood, right? Everything with there only will
Yes.
be there actually. Okay, I install free buff. Where I install from? I install download from GitHub. Understood, huh?
GitHub.
Understood. I didn't go to any company.
Yes.
Correct, huh? It's going on. Don't worry. It is
Yes, sir.
going on. Huh? It takes some time.
It's taking so much time,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah. Say yes. Hmm. Okay. Fine, huh?
Okay.
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 I'm going for lunch
Fine, sir.
actually.
Yeah, I got.
I'm going for lunch, and before that, I'll be asking you to install one more coding agents that might be faster than this free buff. Can you go? Okay. Yeah. Can you? Okay. No, no. Can you go to free buff? Open another terminal. Okay. Type free buff. Free buff. Hmm. Can you can open only for maximum 5 terminals. Okay, ma'am.
Free buff. Okay.
When you get once you don't open another thing. One two is enough. Two is enough. Don't go for more than that.
No, no, no. I got closed, sir. I have closed. That's it.
Okay, open another one.
I have closed one.
Uh,
Okay.
so free buff. Okay, free buff. Yes. You see, whenever you give a brief of what happened, it is going downloading the latest. I mean, latest version, right? Okay, ma'am.
Latest version. Yeah.
Latest version. Let us download it. So Sadiq, you need to know the difference of language. You know the difference of the operating systems. You need to
Operating
know
system.
the Python package manager, and you need to know that pip install and the Python function install packages. That's the difference you should know, because most of the time we are
Okay.
installing the Python packages. Then after that we are using those functions in the coding inside. That is this.
Okay.
Okay, after that you need to type memo code mymocode memo code. Okay, ma?
Okay. Okay.
Memo code. No, take note down. I'm going for lunch down. Then I'll come back. Okay, 2:30 we'll start again. Huh? Memo code.
Memo.
Below M for mango. Memo code from GitHub. From GitHub. Okay, that's it. Okay, man. Understood, So I'm going for
Yes.
the lunch after that. Okay, right. You can take. Hey, don't worry. Hey, you should take over. Take over means that particular task also come here. Okay, understood, Don't say that. Fine. Okay, you can say
Oh,
that Mimi code from Mimi code. What I told. What I told in this
MIMO.
Mimo Mimo code from GitHub. So Satish, it's not. I'm very serious. GitHub is our god actually. Millions of billions of projects. Okay. Install Mimo code from GitHub. Enter. Fine. Okay. Now I'll go for
Yes,
lunch
sir.
and come back. Okay. And
Sure,
understand.
sir. Sure, sure.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. I got it. Yeah.
Ah,
Thank you, sir.
it will install. Bye.